Hey guys, we received this Proster digital angle finder for test and try. This have with laser and 4-side magnetic angle gauge, IP54 waterproof LCD display with a USB-C charging, and the inclinometer lever box or the level box for the woodworking or carpentry or building purpose. So this see it comes in this packaging. This is the unboxing thing. Comes with a small pouch as well. Nice small factor with the laser siding from the both. And then for the charging you can use this is USB-C charging. So this have a angle display with a percentage display and a strong magnetic base as well. You can easily store in this pouch and then easily take anywhere you want. So this have a false measurement error thing as well that I will show you if there is not working fine. So here you can see the error thing, that is for the false measurement, and you can see like the laser beam that can easily carry, and you can level that. So from the both sides you can take one side level, two side level, or both side level. So this is pretty nice feature, and you can easily mark that on the side thing as well. So the error things comes up whenever there is a false measurement. So this is pretty good, and magnetic base is helpful, so you can easily stick to the magnetic metal surface and then take it for the leveling. So this is a nice overall product with everything inside. So the thing is, if you tilt the angle of front and the rear more than 30 degree, then it will show the error. So how, if you put it like this, you can easily see the measurements here, and that is pretty good. So waterproof and auto off, and these features help like to protect that battery. And the measuring range is 4 by 90 degree, resolution 0.05 degrees with a nice accuracy. So overall this is a nice level box and nice thing.